Hey, what is up? My name is Drummer's Gamer HD. We are back with another commentary video. Before I start this video off, I just want to make a quick shout out. So our winner that wins this shout out from my last video is Logan Superior. Make sure you guys please go subscribe to his channel, turn post notifications on, stay active on his channel. I'm going to be leaving that down in the links of the description, so make sure you guys please go subscribe to his channel and tell him I sent you. So let's get on into today's video. I'm going to show and tell you guys how to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight for free on August 25th. But really guys, I know you guys are going to be going into the comment section and telling me,
yo Dramas, the stream fight is not for free. You have to pay for it. It is the pay-per-view fight.
yes, I know it's not for free, but before last time I checked on the KSI versus Logan Paul fight, it was $8, but now they increased the price by $2, and now the price is $10 to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight that is going to happen on August 25th. I mean, there's some people did pay the pay-per-view fight and they actually want to watch it, but there's a lot of people who don't really want to watch the fight, but they really want to watch the fight. But the problem is they don't want to go out and waste their money because it is a big waste of time. What I heard about what KSI was doing, he was doing some type of charity event or something just to help the cause, so people can buy the pay-per-view fight and stuff. But I don't know, I forgot, but it's just all the facts what KSI is doing, so I have no idea what he is doing to get people to buy the pay-per-view fights. So if you guys know, please let me know in the comment sections down below. But really, I know it's been over 2 minutes and you guys are going to be going down in the comment section complaining that I haven't explained how to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight for free on August 25th. So I will get to it right now and I will tell you. So here is how. Oh yeah, also I think you guys may think I'm actually clickbaiting, but I'm actually not. So here it is. I don't know if I actually said this, but I remember talking about some YouTuber's channel with over 1,000 subscribers. It was like a video that I did in the past. I think I remember mentioning this dude's channel, and I found the perfect channel that you guys will able to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight for free on August 25th. So I'm not really doing a giveaway on this, but my friend here, Gaming Boxing, with over 1,474 subscribers, he is doing a free giveaway on how to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight on August 25th. This is actually going to be a free giveaway, so I'm not the one that's doing the free giveaway. This guy is, which is Gaming Boxing. He is doing the free giveaway for you guys, and it's actually pretty dope, and I think you guys should enter in his giveaway. I don't really know how many winners he will be picking, but he will probably be picking, I would say, 1 or 2 winners, I'd say. I don't know. You guys can go and contact him on Gaming Boxing channel. If you guys really want to win this giveaway, all you guys gonna do is subscribe to his channel, turn post notifications on for him, stay active on his channel, watch all of his videos, and stay active. Also, one more thing is, please, if you guys really want to win the giveaway to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight for free on August 25th, just keep in mind, I'm not doing the giveaway. Gaming Boxing is doing the giveaway. I'm not doing it, just for a disclaimer. Go on to his recent videos and go into the description, and there's like a link. Basically, if you go into one of his recent new videos, go into the description and click the link. It will take you to the gleam.io and it will pop up as this right here, KSI vs Logan Paul free pay-per-view. And all it is, you just have to enter in your information on all that. You just have to enter, you know what I mean. Just go ahead and enter in the gleam.io. I think you guys already know how this actually works. All you just have to do is hit subscribe and it will give you like a check mark. Click the bonus entry for my subscribers. You need to tweet it out on Twitter on the gleam.io. Don't go on Twitter, but just click on tweet on Twitter. And then next one is click for daily bonus entry, so 500 plus per day. Actually, I think you guys already know how to do this. But really, for real, if you guys do want to win this giveaway and watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight for free on August 25th, make sure you guys please go on to Gaming Boxing channel, go on to one of his recent videos, and there's a link and it will take you to the giveaway, which is the gleam.io, and enter in his gleam.io giveaway. Once you have been entered in the gleam.io, and it will actually show you that you have been entered. I really forgot to tell you guys, I'm not the one going to be announcing the winners. Gaming Boxing is going to be announcing the winners on his channel. He is the one who will be responsible and held accountable of hosting this giveaway, so he will be announcing the winners. I'm not the one who will be announcing the winners. Gaming Boxing is. Make sure you guys please go subscribe to his channel and turn post notifications on. Also enter in his giveaway so you guys can watch it for free. How this actually works and how the winners will be announced. Basically, he's going to be announcing the winners on August 20th. On August 20th, that is when the giveaway event has already ended, so he will be announcing the winners on his channel, not on this channel. So he will be announcing the winners on his channel. I think I already covered almost everything and explained how to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight for free on August 25th. So I just want to tell you guys again, if you guys do want to win this giveaway and watch this for free, all you guys gotta do is go onto Gaming Boxing channel and go onto one of his recent new videos. Go into the description, click on the link, it will take you to the gleam.io giveaway, and all you guys gotta do is just enter in. That's all, and you're all done. Winners will be announced on his channel, and winners will be announced on August 20th. So that is everything what you guys need to know on how to watch the KSI versus Logan Paul fight for free. So if you guys did enjoy watching this video, make sure you guys please smash the like button. Let's get this video to 30 likes or to 40 likes, and I will drop another video tomorrow. So make sure you guys please smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, turn post notifications on, share this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!